This thing has over 5 years of development, thousands of thrilled beta testers, and one common reaction.
That is so weird. That's so weird.
That's like super weird.
It's kind of weird.
That is a little weird. That's weird. That's so cool.
That's crazy.
That is wild.
That's nuts. I feel like I can jump right now. I just tore this ACL.
Let's rewind real quick. One thing we all share on this planet is pain. Let me show you. This dude, trumpet elbow. This hombre, saddle sore. These kids all have headaches, except for this kid. He's fine. You know why no one smiles in old photos? They were all in pain. And sooner or later, we'll all experience it too. Young, old, athletic, it doesn't matter. I'm Bart, by the way, 48, 20-year husband, 3-kid dad, and I'm a coach. I know a little something about pain. The pain seems like one of those constants in life. But how did we get to 2019 with just this stuff? We can do better. And a few of my friends have done better. This is Kailo, and it's the future of pain relief. Kailo is different than anything you've seen before because it's the world's first nanotech developed specifically for relieving pain. Unlike other products, Kailo contains zero medication. Instead of adding something into your body, Kailo uses billions of charged nanocapacitors to work like a bioantenna. Kailo supports your body's natural ability to relieve its own pain. You simply place Kailo on your body between your brain and the pain. And within seconds, you'll experience relief.
It actually feels a lot better.
By the way, it really works. For me, my family, the players too. I could go on. But let me show you some stoked Kailo users.
So I have really bad knees from running for years and years. It's like in the back of my knee, like on the inside.
So if you were to rate it on like 1 to 10, where would you put it?
Probably like a 7.5 right now.
So it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it right here.
Is it supposed to tingle?
It can. Some people will feel it.
Okay, yeah. I feel it warming up.
So your pain was at, what'd you say, a 7? 6.5, 7? Is it any different now? Is it still the same?
This is like witchcraft. It's probably around a 4 to 3.5.
I want to see if we can get it even lower than the 3 and 4.
This is better.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's probably at a 2. This is freaky. So weird.
Oh my gosh. It's like gone. It's way better.
Good.
I can't believe that. What is this?
Okay, hold on. I would say it's drastically decreased the pain level.
Huh. It's kind of weird. This would have been nice to have this morning when I was cleaning.
It is weird. I don't feel it now, so I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's nuts. I feel like I can jump right now. I just tore this ACL. That's awesome.
That's so weird. I immediately feel my hands
Okay.
not hurting anymore. So weird. Yeah. That's cool. That's crazy.
I'll be darned. Look at that. Before, I would get up and go, okay, let's see if I can walk for a minute. And getting up like this, I mean, it's like, wow, that it's not there. It is not there.
Hey Indiegogo, I'm Stuart, founder of Kailo. We want to bring this incredible technology to market in a big way, and we need your help. We've already contracted with a manufacturer. We've produced a small initial run of Kailos, so we know everything is ready to go. Now we just need the push from this community to go into full production and get this amazing product into the market. There are billions of people with pain, and we want to help as many as we can.
Kailo is legit, my friends. We've really seen some amazing results. I hope you back Kailo today and experience the future of pain relief.
about you? Wouldn't you rather be outside right now? But we get it. It's not that easy. Where do you find the time? Where do you find the space? Well, meet the Inlet, our most revolutionary product yet. It's an origami folding kayak that's ridiculously compact, light, easy, and affordable. We believe in a world with more spontaneous adventure, the freedom to get outside and hit the water anytime, anywhere. We think your kayak should be this portable and super light. Did we mention easy to assemble? And wherever you paddle, it should feel like this. The Inlet is our easiest and most beginner-friendly boat, but it's not just some floaty toy. It's sleek, solid, and handles great in the water. To make this the world's most accessible kayak, we aim to drastically shrink our box size, assembly time, and production costs. We knew we'd have to completely reimagine our origami folding system. At first, we had no idea if this was even possible, but we kept pushing to make something amazing. We're proud to launch the Inlet, the world's lightest and most portable folding kayak. And we're doing it here on Kickstarter, where you, our community, have supported us through 5 campaigns over the last 7 years. We hope the Inlet will kindle your sense of adventure and just plain knock your socks off, whether it's in your backyard or in the middle of nowhere. We'll help you find your happy place and make it smooth, simple, and beautiful once you're there.
AirPix, the world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made. AirPix by Air Selfie.